So in the video, I'm gonna show you, like, let's say I'm gonna announce our first project together. So what I'm gonna do, I will start designing in house, and I'm gonna show you the step that you have to follow step by step using AutoCAD and Revit at the same time. So let's say the AutoCAD part has been finished already, right? So I wanna try to export my file from AutoCAD to Revit. This is the first step, right? First of all, so I'm gonna open Revit. This is my Revit. I open Revit already, and you can see this is the window, right? So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go on the new projects. I'm gonna click on new project. Sorry. Then I will use the metric. So I'm gonna go on browser. Then I will go on English, right? So because I need my design to be in English, okay? So I'm gonna go in English. I'm gonna right click on it, and then I'm gonna take metric. Then I will say okay, open it, okay? Then after that, so this is the beginning right now. So there's nothing trick about, there's nothing complicated right now, okay? So after this, I need to export. Let's say I need to export the file from AutoCAD. So AutoCAD is just the representation of my house plan, right? I finished it already. So I need to import it to Revit, okay? So what I'm gonna do here, instead of going on insert in Revit and then go on import card, import, let's say what is import card? If I go on import card, because the image that I have, because of the file that I have in AutoCAD is not 3D geometric form, I can just use import card. It's gonna be a little bit complicated for me to navigate through those design if I use this option. But if I go on link, if you just go immediately on link cards, it might be okay. It's gonna be more convenient. Like, let's say if I click on link cards and then I need to find my file. So my file has been saved under the name of YouTube. Let's just go on desktop, and then I'm gonna find YouTube house plan. Let's just go YouTube and house design. So I'm gonna click on this one, and then there's a quick current view that you have to adjust a little bit. So for the color should be preserve. I don't want to invert the color, so I'm gonna just leave the way it is. Preserve. I'm gonna preserve the color first, so I don't want to change it. And for the layer, I need the layer to have the whole, the all layer should be shown. And for the import unit, so since, like, let's say you don't remember the unit that you've been using in AutoCAD, it's rare, but sometimes people, they can forget what they've been doing in AutoCAD. So it's better for you to use the auto detector, the detect. So if you use auto detect, so the computer will help you to link, like, to match the unit that you've been using in AutoCAD to Revit. Okay, but I know I was using mirror, right? But I can just go here on import unit and change into mirror, right? But I'm gonna just also use auto detect, okay? Then the positioning should be from origin to origin. Like, I'm gonna keep it the way it is right now, and then I'm gonna place it on the first level, okay? On the first level, and then of course you have to check the correct lines, right, of axis. So this one should be checked every single time. So I usually check this one. It's really important. And then after that, after making all of these adjustments and make sure that the file has been selected correctly, so just can go here and open, and then your file should open. So if you don't find it here, just click on this icon here. It's like the wheel. If you go here, right, you can it's like a pen. It's our pen tool, right? So you can try to navigate through this design. So this is my design already. So as you can see, so let me just zoom this, my AutoCAD. So the first step was from AutoCAD, right? So let me just do this. Right, so this is like a dormitory of my house, right? Like, this is like a geometry plan, right? As you can see, I have the balcony. I have the how can I say, this is like a house. So this is our first step. Our step is to import the card from AutoCAD to Revit. So now it's time to place our components, like house components. And by components, I mean door, window, wall, columns, slab. All of those things should be placed according to the plan. Okay, so this is our second step. So our second step, right? So I need to place the door. So this place should be our door, right? And it should be the concrete. It should be a concrete, right? But I can change the material later, but I just want to show you quick video. But so just kind of simple. Just go on architecture and then go on wall. Okay, before we start with the wall, let's just start with the column first of all. So I'm gonna go on architecture again. Then under columns, we have this. You have this sign here. Just click this sign, and then you can take the column architecture column here. You can pick any of them, but I usually take the architecture columns, and then I'm gonna place it in here. I'm gonna place it here. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat the same part here. So we can adjust the dimension later, but I'm just showing what you can do. And also you can change it. We can change the orientation also of the columns later. And here I will do the same. Okay, and here also I'm gonna do the same. So let's just start it from here. Okay, and here it should be in the middle. So I'm gonna just adjust them later. And also, so this is a little bit nice because we know where we're gonna place our columns, where we're gonna place our walls. Everything has been aligned and everything has been simplified. Okay, so now I'm gonna go on architecture and then I will go on wall. I'm gonna place my wall. The first wall should start from here and to this column here. Okay, this is our first wall. And the second wall, I'm gonna press escape, and then I'm gonna go again in architecture. I'm gonna take the wall. So our second wall should start from this junction here. Let me just zoom a little bit. I'm gonna take from this part here until, let's say, until okay, let's just put this. I'm gonna fix this later. I'll fix this later. Okay, no problem. And the second wall, let's just go on the wall. I should start from here, this middle part here, in the middle until this part. I'm gonna leave it in here. Okay, and I'm gonna click in that. I'm gonna go on wall again, and I will go from middle to okay to here. Okay, all right. So after that, I'm gonna go and get on wall, but I'm gonna change the type of wall that I'm using. Instead of using the basic wall, I'm gonna pick I'm gonna pick the interior wall. I'm gonna click on it and then I will put it in here. I will put the wall from this side to this side, and I'm gonna press escape and I go to wall again. Just make sure the basic wall is the basic wall interior being selected. Then I'm gonna click in this part to this part. Okay, now I can go on door. So we have a many type of door, but I'm just giving an example, right? But we're gonna go through all of this in the previous video. I mean the next videos, alright, guys. So that's why I need you guys to subscribe to this channel. So you're gonna have free tutorial about how to design and how to understand this software. So everything is simple as long as you're practicing and as long as you're subscribing to my channel. Okay, guys. So we are here. I can just place it. Let's see if I can place it in here properly without making any adjustment. I can place it later. Let me just do this. Let me just go on. Let me just open. I'm gonna go on open the view here, 3D view. Open it. So this is what we designed so far. All right. So this is what we designed so far, and it's really visible, right? And as you can see, we can complete all of the parts. We can complete all of the parts. All of them, right? We can complete all of this, and then we're gonna have our house, and all of the stability of the house will be observed because we know the measurements and we know where to place all of these components. So this is how we're gonna do, and this is the first video for this series of this is the first video for this series. And if you don't want to miss any opportunity of learning for free online, please subscribe to my channel and share this video. All right, so take care and bye bye. See you in the next one.